Have you ever wondered how fire helmets evolved over time? Well, fire has been a constant threat to humanity since time immemorial. In response, firefighters' gear, particularly helmets, has had to evolve to meet this challenge. Going back to ancient times, firefighters had to rely on simple yet effective tools like leather caps to protect their heads from falling debris and flames. A far cry from today's advanced gear, but it was a start. Fast forward to the 17th century, and we find European firefighters donning the leatherhead. This broad-brimmed leather helmet was a significant step forward, providing enhanced protection from heat and falling objects. But the evolution didn't stop there. In the early 19th century, Jacobus Turk brought us the Cairns helmet. A hardened leather shell made it a game-changer in terms of protection and thermal insulation. As we moved into the mid-20th century, materials and technology advanced further, introducing fiberglass helmets into the mix. These offered increased heat resistance and durability, marking a significant leap in firefighting safety. Then came the 1970s, and with them, the dawn of thermoplastic helmets. These marvels of modernity offered improved head protection and comfort. They also came equipped with visors and shields to protect firefighters' faces from smoke, sparks, and harmful substances. Today, the evolution continues. With the introduction of innovative materials like carbon fiber and Kevlar, helmets have become lighter, stronger, and more resistant to heat and impact. Modern designs also incorporate integrated communication systems and improved visibility, allowing firefighters to work more efficiently and safely. So, there you have it. The evolution of fire helmets from the simple leather caps of ancient times to the cutting-edge equipment we see today. It's a journey marked by innovation, resilience, and a relentless commitment to safety. We hope you enjoyed this dive into the history and development of fire helmets. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights and updates. Until next time, stay safe and inquisitive.